Bakit yung... Magandang umaga or gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa isang panibagong gaming video. And today, maglalaro tayo ng Prison Escape. Ito ay Prison Escape Simulator. Nakita ko lang siya sa Google Play Store. At gusto ko siya i-try. Parang ano siya guys, parang siyang fun na game kasi, gusto ko kasi mga simulator games. At yeah, ito ang first nakita ko sa Google Play Store. Na-confuse ko bakit nasa cellphone ako. Well, yung laptop ko is not, parang ano na siya, mahina na talaga. So, dito na tayo sa cellphone muna. So, bago tayo mag-start guys, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Yun lang guys, it's free. So yeah, let's start the game guys. Okay, use the thumb to move around. Okay, move around to use the thumb. Alright, basically, okay guys, yan ako dito para ano tayo. There you go. Use your thumb to move around. Okay, so makita niyo yung camera guys. Sorry pag nakikita niyo. Dito kasi yung ano ko, webcam eh. Alright. Okay, so anong gagawin natin yan? Medyo oh, ito kayo lalagay. Pick up the letter from the bed. Okay, letter from the bed. Ito na ba yun? Read. There's an abandoned subway tunnel underneath the prison. All you have to do to escape is dig through it. MB. Okay. Ito naman yung ano naman. Roll up the carpet. Okay, roll up the carpet. Hold. Uy. Woo! Take the chair. Tapos break the tiles? Paano yan? Ooh! Guys, chair yung ginagamit natin para sira. Gagi. Nice. Okay, nice. Alright, now yeah, done. Take the spoon from the cup. From the cup on the shelf. Asan na? Ba't may na-sensitivity ko? Patatasasin ko. Kasi mobile ko ito eh. Alright, good. Collect. Okay, so next is start digging the ground. Okay. Oh! Find items. Alright, may nakita kong items. Parang, ano yan? Dali lang. Yun na natin. Ano yan? Mga items to. Collect. Ito. Collect. Fun. A lighter? Wow. May lighter sa ano? Sa ano ba? Sa lupa? Paano nakapunta dyan? Unroll the carpet. Ay! Sorry. Unroll the carpet. Di ko na nakita. Sorry. Dapat i-hold mo pa siya para ma-unfold. Nice. Put the items on the bench bar. Okay, tapos hide the tool under the bed. What? Ano to? Hide the tool. Take the dirt from the tapos throw it on a towel. Ganito pala itong game na to. Really easy. Alright. Maraming ads talaga pero support the developer. Knock on the cell door to call the guard. Okay. Take the paper from the guard. Paper. Everything okay? Sell items. Di ba yan na? Sell items. 13 for this. Okay. Agree? Bakit yung guard kasali dito? I see you in cell again 30 seconds. Guys, exit the cell carefully. Tapos trade for something to eat. Something to eat to store energy. Cereal. Bye. Thank you tol. Woo! Okay, nice. Okay tayo. Okay, but di ko alam guys, ba't pa natin bayaran yung guard para makakuha lang ng ano ba yan, ng toilet paper? That is a really weird way talaga. Mabalik na ba siya? Oh! Okay. Dali lang. Wait, malayo pa rin yung graphics yan. Ay, ang ganda pala. Wow, ang ganda pala ng game na to. Wait, paano may okay, wag na natin problemahin kasi yung sun nandito. Okay, wag na natin. Next is sell the items to the guard tree. Okay. So, pwede... Okay, so means... Sell the guard? Ano eh? Sell natin. Wala eh. Sell items to the guard. Wala na akong items. Ano tayo ulit? Okay, sige. Unroll natin siya ulit. Wait, ano yun? Automatic na yun? Okay, unroll. Unroll it. Where is... Okay, masyadong ultra yung ano ko. Balik natin sa high. Ayaw kasi masyadong lag. Okay, so asan yung ano natin? Take out the tool. Alright. Magano pa tayo dig up. The pile of dirt is too big. Oh no. Baka meron pa dito. Hanap tayo dito. Oh my gosh, makaubos din naman siya ng energy. Dang. Special offer? No, di na yung kailangan mag-special offer, ha? Okay, meron tayo shoes. What? You found a boot? Ano yan? Collect. Ano to? You found a boot again? Alright. Okay, nice guys. Marami tayong nahanap. Ano to? You collect a soap bar. Nice. Marami talaga tayong nahanap ngayon, guys. Okay, so 3 lang nakuha natin last time. So, I think... Ano to? Hey! Okay. Click! Huh? Got you. Oh my gosh. That sucks. Okay, guys. Guard is coming. Okay. Kaya natin to. Okay, namali ako, guys. Sorry. Okay, may guard na pupunta dito. Wala akong masel. Meron ba akong masel? Wala. Man, that sucks. Okay, this time, bilisan ko na talaga siya. Okay. I heard some noise here. Wala akong pera, so dismiss the guard. Paano ko may narinig? Wala naman eh. Okay. Okay, let's go, guys. Take the tool. Okay. Hold the carpet. Come on, bilisan. Oh my gosh. Collect. I have the tool first. Okay. Balik natin. Balik na, hindi. Ano yung tool? Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Sorry. This is a confusing game. Bilisan natin. Para hindi tayo ng guard. Kailan ba yung lunch break? I think mga 1 oras. Guards will be back at... Okay, may 1 minute pa tayo, guys. Okay, kailangan natin bilisan. Bilisan. Put that. Put to. Take this. And start digging. Oh, energy. Allah. Okay, collect. Find a soap bar. Oh my god. Lahat tong energy, guys. Naubos energy natin. Do you want energy reset? May pera ako. Oh my gosh, may pera pa ako. Okay, sige. Reset natin. Wala tayong choice. Collect that. Okay, pause mo na. Hold. Okay, goods. And, hide the tool. Okay, sorry guys. Na-move ko yung ano. Kailangan natin to collect. Flash. Collect. Flash. Alright. Okay, goods tayo. Guys. Oh, wait, may 10 toilet paper tayo. So, means makakalabas naman tayo. Pwede naman i-call natin yung guard ulit. Pero put natin yung items. Guard is coming. Alright. Since put ko na lang yung dirt, nawala na yung dirt dyan. Okay. No, don't do that. Okay, dyan na yung guard, guys. Ano talaga itong game na to? So stressful. Okay, dyan na si guard. Guard, walang speeches dito. You not up to something, are you? Not yet. Wala. Okay, that's good. So, ilang ng oras? Anyway na, guard will be back at 10. Lights out 22. Okay, lights out. Matutulog na sa, okay. May time pa tayo. Hold. Come on. Nice. Open this. Take out the tool. Tingnan. Kailangan makahanap natin. Palster big. Okay, hindi lang. Kailangan natin makahanap ng more tools para makasell. Okay na, meron pa. Kunin mo. Kailangan pwede natin nilalagay dito. Okay, meron pa tayo. Okay, meron pa. Kailangan natin ng shovel. As in, kailangan natin ng shovel. Marami tayong nahanap niya. Okay, meron pa. Ano pa ba dito? Wala na. Sorry pag naano yung breathing ko, guys, kasi wala akong good microphone. Okay, connect this. Okay. So, someday baka makagood kayo. Microphone din ako. Mga, hindi naman as in cheap, pero mga marinig ko talaga ako ng noise. Okay. Tingnan ko ba? Kumulang na. Okay. Bilisan natin. Okay. Ano na? Hold. Okay. And then, lagay ito dito. Put ito dito. Bilisan. Flash. Uy. Okay, come on. Bilis. Flash. Alright. Pwede natin i-calling guard. Baka masala natin ito sa kanya. Guard. Kailangan kita guard. Okay, everything okay, yes. Pwede sell kita item. 33 for this. Agree. Thank you, guard. I see you in the cell 30 seconds. Sige. Nice. Wala na ako nakita. Wala na ako nakita. Okay, may ganito yan. Shovel. Ito ba good ba yung shovel? Ito mga bag. Okay, ito yung kailangan natin sa kanya. Yes. Nice. Katol. Uy, grabe yung mahal ng ano mo. Ang mahal ng ano niya, guys. Ng ano ba yan? Item niya. Grabe. So expensive. Expensive as heck. Okay. Guard is coming. Guard! Ba't nag-stop sila lahat? Nag-stop sila, guys. Okay, gabi na. Hindi ko alam ba't yung sun nasa ano, pero whatever. Okay, trade for a better bag. Pero first muna. Lights out. Okay, kailangan natin trading. Can I think more? Give me more. Yes, collect that. Find a soap bar. Come on, hanap ka. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Hide the tool. Alright. Flash. Bilisan. Pwede ba tayo makadeal ng isang soap lang? Oh my gosh. Diyan yung guard. Okay. Diyan yung guard. Oh my. Uy! It's night. Go to bed. Yes. Yo, takot talaga ako nun. Okay. Sleeping through the night. Ay, pagkain. Nice. Alright. Yummy. Okay, so wake up at 5. May 40 pesos tayo. Kailangan natin ng bag. Ayan. What is this? Dali lang. May ano tayo. May... Ano ba to? May... What is this? Read. How is it going? Have you started digging yet? There's a warehouse in a prison where you'll find plenty of useful stuff, but unfortunately it's locked. I'll find out who might have the key and get back to you. Okay. Okay, yun ang sabi niya. Okay. Okay lang. Alright, guys. Okay. Alright. Take out ito. Grabe talaga, guys. Hindi ko lang asan ba ito nakukuha ng mga ano na to, mga criminal na to. Yung mga ganitong stuff. Like as in, hindi ko lang kakatawa itong game. Alright, ano ba tayo nakita dito? Oh, we found a wrench. Parang magagamit naman natin yun. Okay, parang okay na yan. Makasell na tayo yan. Okay, I think this is gonna be more last natin, guys, kasi nag-overheat na yung cellphone ko. So, yeah. Collect. Alright. Last mo natin to, you know. Okay, come on. Okay, collect. Flash. Alright. Oh my gosh, guard! Guard, kunin mo! Yes! Okay. Okay, nice na, good na tayo. Goods na. Guard, dyan yung guard. Okay, hintayin natin si guard. Mag-trade tayo para makano tayo ng bag. That's goal natin. Have you heard something? Yeah, sell item. 17 for this, agree. Collect. I see you in the cell 30 seconds. Sige. Punta ka na, sir. Oh my gosh. Sino may bag dyan? Kailangan ko ng bag. Bag. Nice. What? Ilan yung ano ko? 20! Okay guys, so dito muna tayo. Bibilin ko lang yung natin next video, bibilin natin yung bag. Mag-grind ako. Hindi mag-grind as in, pero ano ako ng 20 toilet papers. So yeah guys, I think this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy it guys. Alam ko na hindi na to sa laptop, pero naghanap ako ng mga good games. So yeah guys, sana na-enjoy nyo. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications para hindi kayo makamiss ng new videos. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video. Peace.